Tell me about what would a normal week look like for you?
So I work 2 times a day, 2 times a week in the hospital, and during Wednesday, we keep on having our prayer meeting online. Which in fact I also did send some videos to you, and also during Saturday, uh, on Saturday I have a regular schedule afternoon, the whole afternoon of Saturday in Banago Church. We do our worship service there in during Saturday. We do the Lord's Supper, everything that we're doing. And on Sunday afternoon, Sunday morning, I'm here on the center in our house. We're doing the worship service. And on the afternoon, the whole afternoon, it will be done on the Bata. And then the rest of the days that I've not been working in the hospital or in the house churches, I do some visitation. So do some life coaching on some young people, and also help my wife here in the household church chores. So that's it.